beauty of this car is the way all the elements come together. They've been developed to work in harmony to deliver their ultimate driver experience. Mototechnique was established 40 years ago. During that period, we've restored most of the iconic cars ever made, including Ferrari 250 GTOs, Mercedes Gullwings, McLarens, Maseratis, just about it. You name it, they've passed through these workshops. Some 16 years ago, I resto-modded my own Dino. This then led on to the David Lee Dino. The David Lee Dino received massive coverage, and this led to us developing our Mototechnique EVO program. The natural progression from the Dino is to move on to the 308 family. It already has the Ferrari V8 engine in place. They are relatively plentiful, and also it's a more cost-effective project. The EVO project, whether it's a Dino or our 308, is bespoke. It's tailor-made directly to the client's requirements. Starting at the front of the car, we have a large, high-efficiency radiator with twin fans, F40 style. This is to cope with the additional loading of the larger engine. This car is equipped with Ferrari 360 brakes. The stopping power is phenomenal. Moving on, we have electric power steering. This is not a luxury, it's a must, given the wider, sticky rubber that we're using on these big, wide wheels. The suspension upgrade on this car is very sophisticated. We've fitted Wilbur's fully adjustable shock absorbers and stiffened the wishbones. It's fully adjustable. We have 2 positions for compression and 2 positions for rebound. With this suspension, you can adjust it for comfort or competition. Going down the shops or around a racetrack, your choice. By modern standards, a 308 is now underpowered. What we've done is brought it up to the 21st century. We've given it good power, great torque and fantastic drivability. We do this by changing the bore and stroke, by enlarging the capacity of the motor. So we make a bespoke crankshaft, titanium conrods, slipper pistons. We enlarge the size of the inlet and exhaust valves, we gas flow the cylinder head, and we put it all together in a package. We control this with a Motec ECU, top of the range. Technology has moved on so much. With the Motec ECU, we can control the intensity and the duration of the spark at the spark plug. Well, the beauty of bringing all this mechanical mastery together with the electronics is the feedback to the driver. This is an analog car. You get wonderful feedback. This car has no driver aids. There's no ABS. There's no traction control. It's all about feedback to the driver, feeling it through the seat of your pants, through your hands. Today's cars are so sterile, everything's done for you. Not with this car. Complementing the engine is this beautiful Capristo exhaust system, absolutely stunning and a delight to look at. The sound is an oral delight to any petrol head. The Perspex engine lid has become something of a Mototechnique signature, which is great. It allows you to see the beauty of the engine. As part of our bespoke service, the carbon fibre engine lid with its Perspex viewing lens can be offered in various styles. The interior is by our sister company, O'Rourke Coach Trimmers, known for being the best in the business. The craftsmanship and attention to detail is just unbeatable. For 35 years, we restored cars nut and bolt perfect. We're a company driven by customer demand. Times change. Clients are now demanding classic cars with modern manners. They want performance, handling and reliability. Everything that we've learnt and developed over the last 40 years has gone into these cars. At Mototechnique, we are continually developing our EVO program to deliver the ultimate driving experience, limited only by your imagination.